Discovery, OST, authoritative interpretation of CCTV media, strongly recommended by specialists in the industry. Spoken highly of by government officials, recognized and supported by clients at home and abroad. What's the driving force behind Sichuan OST Slope Protection Engineering Company Limited to be the leader of the industry? How did OST become the flagship of the industry and the target to be respected and followed by competitors? Mr. Liu Hanchuan, president of OST, pinpointed and unique and right approach for enterprise development. Rely on scientific research based on the facts. Our products win trust via tests rather than mere production. A seemingly plain words is the lifeline of OST. In 2011, OST cooperated with Southwest Jiaotong University and established the first rockfall impact test platform in China, which changed the landscape where only static load tests and tests on components for protection products could be performed according to original national standards. Initiating the application of protection product impact test technologies in China's slope protection industry. It produced valuable data of rockfall impact of different energy levels and provided scientific data support for the study of domestic scientific research institutions and design institutes on slope protection technologies in different environments. OST has persistently performed salt spray tests for various parts on a long-term basis and at the same time introduced advanced zinc impregnation process production line. By setting up an independent R&D department, OST adheres to long-term independent innovation and embarks on a road of scientific research based on facts. OST has developed many products with proprietary intellectual property rights, obtained a large quantity of national science and technology patents, and had a series of papers published in professional journals. OST, as a major contributor, compiled the standards of the rockfall impact test method and evaluation of flexible passive railway slope protection products. By establishing credibility of the development path, OST adheres to the market concept of seeking development by innovation and creating a brand with honesty. It has undertaken more than 1,000 slope protection projects covering railways, highways, large-scale hydropower projects, and geological disaster slopes throughout China. A series of products focusing on curtain-type protection nets, passive protection nets, active protection nets, rigid grids, flexible steel structure shed tunnels, are providing protection for various national infrastructure construction projects. Number 318 National Road Batong Mongkong Curtain Type Protection Net Project in 2010. The Dujiangyan Wenchuan Highway Tao Guan No. 1 Tunnel Flexible Steel Structure Shed Tunnel Project in 2012. The Lanzhou Chongqing Railway Rigid Grid Project in 2014. In July 2015, covering curtain-type net was applied to the Lingshan Road project in Muntogo, Beijing on August 2nd and September 2nd. It successfully intercepted falling rocks weighing 200 kilograms and 20,000 kilograms respectively, ensuring the safety of this section. By virtue of integrity, OST refuses to produce any inferior product and delivers perfect after-sales service. OST's development pattern has yielded enormous social and economic benefit and has won good social reputation. A road of commitment with a strong sense of responsibility. OST has always had the courage to bear its social responsibilities. From the May 12th Wenchuan and Yushu earthquake to emergency rehabilitation of the Dujiangyan Wenchuan Highway, from Yingtang Xiamen Line protection to the Chongqing Huaihua Railway rescue. In these rescue and disaster relief battles, OST was highly praised by rescue headquarters and all sectors of society for its high strength and superior services. OST understands that talent cultivation and basic education are the prerequisites for scientific research technology. Over the years, OST has successively made donations to Southwest Jiaotong University, Chengdu University of Technology, Dongguangshi I Primary School, etc., and devoted itself to improving education in poverty-stricken areas. OST is an enterprise with a strong sense of social responsibility and is widely accepted by its industry and respected in the eyes of the public. OST, an upright enterprise with devotion to slope protection industry, takes vitalizing national slope industry as responsibility and upholds the tenet of caring for life and guarding safety. After a dozen of years, it has been the top brand name of China's slope industry. Nowadays, OST is making positive response to the policy of One Belt and One Road, set by the central government to set up branches and offices in Bulgaria, India, and Malaysia, and actively expanding international market. In the future, OST will join hands with all sectors of society to provide first-class overall solutions of slope protection to the world and serve as a trustworthy protector of mankind's homeland.